Get ready to spell words in Riley's Spelling Headquarters. Let's start.
Spelling number 1. Spell the word knife. Knife is a noun. It is a tool with a blade used for cutting. Here's an example sentence. Be careful with the knife. Again, spell the word knife. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 2. Spell the word knee. Knee is a noun. It is the joint between the thigh and the lower leg. Here's an example sentence. I hurt my knee. Again, spell the word knee. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 3. Spell the word knock. Knock is a verb. It means to hit a door to make a sound. Here's an example sentence. Please knock before entering. Again, spell the word knock. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 4. Spell the word know. Know is a verb. It means to have information about something. Here's an example sentence. I know the answer. Again, spell the word know. Timer starts now.
Time's up.
Spelling number 5. Spell the word keep. Keep is a verb. It means to hold and not let go. Here's an example sentence. Please keep the book safe. Again, spell the word keep. Timer starts now.